Now, as you can see, when I enter the AI's detection radius, if I'm not crouching, the AI starts becoming cautious of me. If I crouch, its caution decreases gradually, not instantly. If the warning reaches the maximum, the AI starts chasing me. Yes, everything works well. Before ending the video, let's add simple logic to deal damage when the AI... Welcome back again to the series. We've made decent progress in the series, even though we still have a few more videos to go before we fully finish our current system. But we're getting closer, and the AI character has started becoming more responsive to its surroundings. Today, we'll focus on creating the AI's warning system. It will be a warning widget where the closer we get carelessly to the enemy, the more it becomes cautious of us, and if we touch it or if it sees us, it will head directly toward us. So, to begin, we need to create a widget. And yes, I've organized the project folder a bit here. Anyway, we'll add a new folder to keep all the AI widgets inside. Then inside it, we'll create our widget and name it UI AI Warning. Inside it, we'll place a canvas panel and then a progress bar. Now, what we want to do here is simple. We want to change the shape of the progress bar into an exclamation mark. Before that, we'll create a new folder called AI Image. I've already prepared some images, so you can download them from the link in the description if you want. As for changing the progress bar shape, it's very simple. Just go to background image and set the image that appears when the bar is empty. Then in fill image, put the picture that appears when it's full. Change the fill method to go from bottom to top. If we try to increase the percent, you'll notice a different color than what we set. Simply change the color here to white, and that's all. Now, if we try again, as you can see, in the event graph, we'll create a custom event called update percent, connect it to set percent of the progress bar, and that's it. Now, we're done setting up our widget. Next, we'll go to the AI character and add a new widget component, and we'll name it widget warning. Set it to world, not screen, and assign our widget to it. Before moving on, let's also create a tag component for the widget and name it warning. This will help us in the next step. Now in the AI character, we'll get a reference to the widget we just created. Starting from the AI character, use getComponent by tag. Then get, then from that, getWidget, then cast it to UI AI warning. Add a small delay, then set the widget to hidden. Now we have a reference to our warning widget. Okay, now that we've finished the setup, let's work on the real logic. First, create a new custom event called warning action. We'll create a new variable called current target, then add a condition with our previous variable start warning. If warning is active, we'll update the current target's value using a node we used before. Finterp constant with the target set to 1 and the interp speed set to a variable we'll call time to react. Then check if the warning widget exists, and if yes, call update percent and set the widget's visibility to visible. Now, when the warning is off, first check if the AI sees the player or not, then check if current target is not equal to 0. If yes, update the current target's value and the percent the same way as before, but with two differences. For time to react, use a variable called time to rest, because here we want the cooldown to be slower. Change the target to 0. After that, check if the widget exists and then hide it. Basically, when the warning level reaches 0, we hide the widget again. Good. Before we continue, let's add another condition at the start. If the current target equals 1, then we want the AI to immediately move toward the player. This should only happen once, so for the do once, we'll reset it using the event reset, all we created in a previous episode. Okay, before we test it, there are still some extra things to prepare. First, we'll create a new custom event called reset warning, connected to the do once here. Inside it, we'll add the logic to stop the warning when the AI stops chasing the player. Simply set warning to false, reset current target to 0, and hide the widget. That's it. Also, when the AI is chasing the player, we set warning to true. Then, for reset warning, we'll also trigger it when the AI stops chasing or when the player leaves its vision range. We'll rearrange the conditions and add reset warning this way. And don't forget to connect warning action to event tick. Alright, that's everything. Let's test it now. Okay, the widget we placed is way too big. Let me fix that quickly. Yeah, I figured out how. First, set it to world instead of screen, adjust its position using pivot, and resize it to be smaller. Now, the reason it's not showing is because we made it screen instead of world earlier. So we need to make it always face the player. For that, we'll make simple logic inside the AI character. In event tick, connect set world rotation for the widget and use find look at rotation with the widget location as the start point and the player's camera as the target point. Of course, first we need to cast to our player character. And that's the logic. Let's test again. I forgot something important. When the AI starts chasing the player, we want the warning bar to instantly become full. To do that, just set the current target to 0.95 here. Now, as you can see, when I enter the AI's detection radius, if I'm not crouching, the AI starts becoming cautious of me. If I crouch, its caution decreases gradually, not instantly. If the warning reaches the maximum, the AI starts chasing me. Yes, everything works well. Before ending the video, let's add simple logic to deal damage when the AI reaches the player. Basically, when the AI catches the player, it will attack every second and deal damage. Yes, that works fine. So that was everything for this video. In the next episode, we'll add some improvements to the system and fix a few bugs I discovered. After that, we'll build a distraction system for the AI using sound by throwing objects. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to support me with a like and a subscription to stay updated. See you in the next video.